That's the first time you ate this like.
No, man. Yeah, I'm not chilling cold. Yeah, I'm cold. Nigga, Tamiran. Spike! You better not jump on here. Cause you know I'm about that, and I got it like that. Cause you know I'm about that. Hey, got my little cousin up here. Look bad, boy. This nigga bad, man. Got white niggas coming out here looking for my cousin. Everything, man. Looking for Tyran?
Yeah.
Huh?
Here I go. Here I go, boo.
Huh.
What is that?
Here you go.
Here you go, boo.
You going to have to, man. Where everybody be coming over there, man. Everybody be over there thing, man.
Have you bathed them yet? I'm Destiny.
Say.
Nice to meet you. I'm Destiny. Nice to meet you.
Flesh.
TJ. Hey.
No, I haven't made it.
He needs to.
Hi.
Look, that nigga be happy now. Look at him, man. That his girlfriend now.
He said,
Calm down.
I like your kitty.
Oh, it's more than that. It about 20.
One day I need to
it's a
call.
lot of them.
You're so cute.
They go one right, Sunshine. You go,
It's a lot of them.
What's your name? I'm Destiny.
That's my little cousin, Destiny. Oh, yeah, but you gonna cut my house?
Wait.
Oh, tonight.
you got a cat lick out.
You can cut it real quick. Or cut or whatever you gotta do. We have all
So release the shine on now.
You're right.
Key. They got to open it.
Oh, man, I feel so good today. You don't understand. Woo! What you just said on the phone? You feel like a great day?
Yeah.
Yeah, it really do.
They got the open right now. It's from up around.
Hey y'all.
Check out my face.
See, Sunshine don't know how to go to nobody.
Why he cool? Come on.
Right.
See, he'll come to you, you know what I'm saying? That's why he my boy. That's why I don't let trouble meal with him.
That's a girl, boy. That's a girl.
Trouble can chase.
That's a girl. Yeah. Sunshine.
Motherfucker be dead around the time. Get smoking, y'all.
Probably beat up.
You said someone dead.
Beating up. Smokey! Smoke!
Man, stick it in.
Take a box, June here. Man, I ain't standing on climb, man. Y'all looking for no climb stunt. I ain't worrying about no climb, man.
What?
Climb. I ain't about no climb.
Oh, but yeah, you gonna,
So-
ain't got no guard, bro. Man, I might do. You think I should get a ball head?
No.
Fade all the way around the
Do
time.
it. Go for it. Try something new.
You want to fade all the way around the time?
Yeah.
I
Nah, but like this time. Just today.
Spike.
You know, take and redo
Spike.
the cup. You know what I'm saying? I don't want her to be right now all day. You wanna come in?
Spike.
Wait for me, boy.
Spike. I love this cat, man. Love this cat. A little trouble too, man. All right, trouble. Girl, be careful out there, girl. I love the cats, man. Go on.
Bring my coat outside. Don't let me fall on my patio.
Yeah. Alright. I'm a nigga Tyran, man. My cousin. He told me to bring his phone.
Not me.
He told me to bring his phone.
Not me.
Dude, he told me to bring his phone, man.
Me.
He told me to bring his phone.
Not me, big
Dude, he told me to bring his. He told me to bring his phone, man.
Oh, you could take it too.
He said you bring the coat, man.
Bring the coat. Go to the Tyran coat, so no. Go to the coat.
That's why I broke her phone, man. Yeah, I broke her phone. Control, you told me to bring.
God damn, man, you lied too much. Fatty.
No, it's not. I kept the bread and took it home. That one might be. That one might be. That's a girl bread anyway. I don't like brushing my hair with it.
Sure.
Girl bread.
What's the better than
I'm saying, women don't use that bread. Me and women can't use the same bread.
They know we finna brush your hair.
Oh, you go ahead, man. I do want to take and redo this.
You don't want to call it better?
Nah,
It's still working.
It's already still.
It's still working.
So I see.
It's still working. Nah.
I can't go with a brick though.
He broke my gold.
Man,
I'm sorry. Alright, never let me.